Have you ever walked out to your garden, excited to check on your plants, only to find them covered in aphids, whiteflies, ants, or other pests? You've tried everything: expensive sprays, homemade remedies, endless internet advice. But what if I told you that the solution might already be sitting in your kitchen right now? And even better, it costs just pennies to make. Today I'm going to show you a powerful homemade pest control spray that many gardeners swear by. It uses only a few common household ingredients and can help eliminate some of the most common garden pests quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, grab a container and add about 500 milliliters of water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. A mild or neutral dish soap works best. Why soap? Because it helps break down the protective outer layer of many soft-bodied insects like aphids and whiteflies, making it difficult for them to survive. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. The vinegar helps create an environment that many pests don't like, and when combined with the soap, it increases the effectiveness of the spray. Finally, add about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. The oil helps the mixture stick to the leaves and improves contact with the insects, making the treatment more effective. Now mix everything thoroughly. You'll notice the solution becoming slightly milky and bubbly. That's exactly what you want. Next, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. But before you start spraying, there's one very important rule. Never apply this spray during the hottest part of the day or in direct sunlight. The combination of soap and vinegar can potentially damage plant leaves if exposed to strong sun. Instead, spray early in the morning, on a cloudy day, or in the late afternoon. When applying, thoroughly coat the affected areas of the plant, especially the undersides of the leaves. That's where pests like aphids and whiteflies often hide. Allow the solution to remain on the plant for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, rinse the plant with clean water. Many gardeners report seeing a dramatic reduction in pests after just one treatment, especially when dealing with aphids and other soft-bodied insects. Now, a quick word of caution. Before spraying an entire plant, always test the mixture on a small section first and wait 24 hours to make sure your plant tolerates it well. Different plants can react differently, and it's always better to be safe. If you found this gardening tip helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what pests you're battling in your garden right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on how to get rid of mosquitoes fast.